The new i-Cockpit has several screens, split into 3 zones. The driver instrument panel, the infotainment touchscreen, and the i-toggles. Slide your finger to change page. The driver instrument panel screen allows you to access the driving-related functions. You can change the way it is displayed using this button. When you start the car, select your profile in the infotainment touchscreen to activate your personal settings, such as favorites and radio setup. The infotainment touchscreen allows you to access most of the vehicle's functions via its applications. Press on a widget to launch the application. Some of the application's functions can be accessed directly from the home screen. For example, switching from the radio to other medias, such as Bluetooth. To return to the home screen, simply press on the Home button. To display the notifications center and the most frequently used settings, press on the top bar. You can customize the i-toggles and set up shortcuts for your favorite functions, such as calling a favorite contact, launching your favorite radio station, starting active route guidance, and more. To do that, long press on the function you wish to replace, and then select the desired function, which will be one of your shortcuts on the i-toggles bar. At any given time, you can access all of the applications by clicking on the applications icon. You can also interact with your system by speaking to it. Press on the microphone button on the steering wheel, or say the launch word OK Peugeot, followed, for example, by Let's Go Home.